Good afternoon, Yeshivat Frisch. I'm Connie Kagan, and this is the award-winning Frisch News Network. It's been busy here at Yeshivat Frisch, starting off with the culinary arts track taking a special trip to an extract factory. Here's Ariella Rashid with more.
Hi, my name is Ariella Rashid. I'm here with the Frisch News Network. I'm here with the culinary track at Citromax.
This morning, Frisch's culinary arts track headed to Citromax, an extract factory. The factory staff explained the science behind tasting things, different kinds of tastes, and even let the students make drinks with any flavor they wanted.
For Frisch News, I'm Ariella Rashid. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Ariella. Frisch was lucky enough to welcome a group of students from ZPC, a Jewish school in Vienna, as part of Frisch's 10th grade Vienna exchange program. FNN's Leah Bernstein sat down with a few of them. Leah?
Hi, I'm Leah Bernstein. I'm here with Frisch News Network, and I'm here with...
I'm Dana.
And I'm Gidi.
So what are some big differences between America and Vienna?
I feel like the biggest difference is the food, because everything's so oily here, everything's fried, everything's sweet, and it's just, yeah.
I agree with Dana. Everything here is with sugar, and also there's way more like Jewish culture and way more Jewish people. And it's just something we don't have in Vienna and Austria, where it's just way less Jewish kids, and yeah.
That's a very nice answer. What are some big social differences between here and Austria?
The biggest difference is the people on the street. Here in America, they're also polite. They talk to you. When you walk up to someone, they're going to say hi. And when you talk to them, they're going to answer you. But in Austria, if you go up to someone and talk to them, they're not like, there's a big chance they're not even going to look at you.
What are some things you've seen in America, like stores or something like that you wish were in Vienna or in Austria?
There's a lot of clothing stores. They're so much cooler here that I would wish to have in Austria. And also like Sephora. We don't have Sephora. But yeah.
So for me, it's like over the kosher food, because if you go here like to Walmart or to Target, you have like everything's kosher, and also barely anything, and also like more restaurants, and yeah.
What is anti-Semitism like in Vienna?
I feel like it's not that bad. Like you see it in the news sometimes, the demonstrations, the pro-Palestine demonstrations, something like that, but nothing ever happened to me on the streets. I know friends who like have been approached because they're wearing the kippah outside or like they have symbols, but to me nothing ever happened.
Yeah, so for me, it's almost like the exact opposite, because I play football, not the American football, like actual football, and for the Jewish team. And when we play, like every Sunday, usually every single game, like people like shout at us and tell us you Jews, free Palestine, all different kinds of stuff. And yeah, like I really feel the anti-Semitism in Vienna, and yeah.
The important thing is to not get discouraged because we have Jews all over the world to support us and uplift us. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm Leah Bernstein. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Leah. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Have a story idea? Want to get involved? Email us at frischnews@frisch.org. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. For Frisch News, I'm Connie Kagan. Have a great day.